Hi everybody, hope everyone's doing well. Well, today is Friday. It is March 26th, 2021, and I am here to do a haul for you guys. Now, you guys have been seeing me in the same getup, in this, doing some hauls for you guys, but I'm trying to get them all done today because I've had some of this stuff just sitting around. So yeah, okay, so let's get started because I have another haul to film for you. This one here, I'm going to do Target because I don't have very much, and Ikea and Paparazzi. That just came today. I just got my package today. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I love Paparazzi. I'm going to share the jewelry that I have on. I do not sell Paparazzi, guys. My beautiful friend does. I do not get, she doesn't even know I'm promoting this. So I don't get anything from her. I pay for everything myself. She doesn't, there's nothing like, a give and take, me promoting her at all. I do have a Paparazzi on today. I have this one and this here, and this here is all Paparazzi, and this ring is Paparazzi. I really, really love Paparazzi. I like it because it's $5, and you get quite a bit. So anyways, my friend always sends me a card with everything that I order. And if you want, if I can, I don't even know if I can put a link to her store. I don't know. I will do that, like, again, she doesn't know I'm doing this. But anyway, I'll read this later. And she packages everything so cute. It's so neat. I always get them wrapped up. So let's see what I ordered here. And she puts a little thank you thing. Oh yes. Okay. So I ordered these earrings. And the thing about it, really, honestly, my daughter is starting to use some stuff, not all of it. Oh, and I'm always surprised at how much more prettier they are in person. Look, I could wear these right now. Look at that. Look at this. Really, really pretty. Love these. So I got those. I'm always surprised, like I said, when I get them, how pretty they are. Look at this. This is like, what do you call that? Jute rope, some of it. Macrame. Beads. These sort of purpley. Yeah, and it's one of these ones where you pull the cord. Imagine for the beach. Oh, this was so pretty. So pretty. Love it. Okay, so I ordered that. And then I ordered, oh yeah, these red ones. Sometimes I'll place an order for an item and I pay shipping, so sometimes she'll hold it for me until I have a couple pieces. I don't just buy, I buy things that I really, really enjoy, and sometimes I don't see anything for a week or two, and she's so sweet. She'll hold it for me until I have a couple pieces to make it worth the shipping, But look at these red ones. Look at that. Aren't those pretty? Those are so pretty. Got those. And then lastly, oh, I got two necklaces. And I'm going to do a video to show you how I store my jewelry, my costume jewelry. My real stuff, like my gold and all that, I keep it in a jewelry box. But I have a lot more costume jewelry. Oh yes, this is a rose gold chain. And then it has, see if I can do this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I remember looking at this when she showed it, and it looked so vintage to me. I'm so fascinated with the vintage look, 1940s. And I thought that, oh my gosh, she has some earrings that are this. I'm gonna see if she still has them. Are like that opaque, opalescent kind of earrings. I'm gonna see if she still has them. But yeah, I got that one. I got this one. And, oh, this one has earrings too. Yeah, all the necklaces have earrings. So the little baby earrings. My daughter ends up taking those. And then this one, there's all the earrings to this one here. These. And then this is like a, what do you call it? Lariat, I think. It's that shiny chain, and then it has that, and then the tassels at the bottom. It's brown, like a brown pearl. I like the lariat. Is that what it's called, guys? And it's two at the bottom. That is so pretty. And I like the chain, how it has like a sparkle to it. So I got that. That's my order. I don't have anything on order right now. I don't think I do. Like I said, she's so good to me. She's turned into a really good friend, you know, a really, really good friend, sweet friend. Okay, so that's Paparazzi, and that just came in today, so I thought I would throw it in here. So at Ikea, the reason we went is because, well, we were down visiting, you know, we went to go put some flowers for my mom and my dad, and across at the cemetery. And then across the street, they have an Ikea, a really nice Ikea. And my son, for his birthday, one of the things he wanted was he wanted his room to be decorated. My son and my daughter, you know, have been wanting to redo their rooms. But my son, my 13-year-old, it's been a while. He had started to get his own style at 13, and he got a new desk. We got him a new desk, and then we got that off Amazon, and then we got him a student computer desk. Those have not arrived, so when they arrive, I will show you. But he needed a dresser. We did pick him up a dresser, and I'm going to insert a picture here. Okay, the other thing is I've been also needing a curtain. I'm trying to redo the kids' bathroom in the hall. Not redo it too much, but just change a couple of details. And I wanted a gray curtain, and I found it at Ikea. It's this one. It's really thick and heavy. I mean, it is sturdy, but it's just, there's no design. It's just this kind of grid look to it. So I got them that. This was $12.99, so that was good. The other thing that I picked up were these curtains, and these were $9.99. And you get 2 panels of curtains. Alvin Spets. Oh, they all have this is the name of that one. And then this is the name of this one here. And basically they're just these lace see-through sheer curtains. And what I need these for is one panel is gonna go in my bathroom. And then the other panel, I don't know what was I gonna do with the other panel. Because I think one panel is all I need. Anyway, it was $9.99. $9.99. Now, I have a window right here, and you're going to see some curtains I purchased. And then you see that really big window. That's a big window. And I bought curtains for that too. And it's going to be sheer, just a sheer. I want light to come into this room, but I want it, you know, especially right here where I record, it's going to be really, really nice because it's going to diffuse the light, but it's going to give me enough light to be able to do my videos. So that's why I'm buying these, but this one's for the bathroom. You get 2, see that, there you see it better. And I will take pictures as, if this is up, I will take a picture for you guys. But this was $9.99 for 2 panels, which was a really, really good deal because I've gone to Target, I've gone to Amazon, and something like this it's in the $30 range, you know? So I got that. I picked up a squeegee because we keep a squeegee in the shower, and ours is just about done. So we picked up a squeegee. I think this was $1.99. You know, Mom used to hem a lot of our stuff. She used to sew for us, you know, and I did not pick up that trait of sewing. But what I need to do is I'm going to need to cut these particular curtains. They're too long. They're going to be too long. So this is basically tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to tape it. Hopefully this is going to be strong enough, but you can see there. So it's fabric tape. So there we go. I know Hobby Lobby has it. So if this one doesn't work, I'm going to try the ones at Hobby Lobby. We got 2 little succulents. My little guy, my 13-year-old, he wants to throw some succulents in there. These were 99 cents. Yeah, he just wants to play some. I said, okay, that's fine. So I bought him that. And then I picked this up. This was only $5.99. I say only because every time I go to like Hobby Lobby or things like that, they're a lot more. And I wanted this. Okay, hold on. Let me fix this. Hold on a minute. Okay, so there it is. It's just basically a hanging plant. Really long. Now, I'm going to put it on my shelf for now, but they had a display, a bunch of them with a macrame like hanging plant. They were in a macrame one. Oh my gosh, I wanted it so badly, but they ran out. So we're going to go back. We're going to check because it was a good price for them. Like I said, this one was $5.99, so not bad at all. And now my daughter wants one too. So we got that there at Ikea. And I think that was all that we picked up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was it. And then we went to Target. We were on the way home and we stopped at the Target that we always stop off the freeway. My daughter needed some personal hygiene stuff, so we ran in there really quickly. But I want to show you what I picked up. This is for my store. I had shown you guys in a previous haul some of these jeans, so I picked up some more. I found one more, actually, just one more. These are 22 women's skinny regular. From Ava and Viv, and they were on clearance. So these are going to be going up in my store, and it's going to be easy because the template is already done from the other one, and all I have to do is just add this one to that amount. And then I found this top there. This one here. It's just a tank top, just a nice tank top, really soft fabric. Really soft. This is a new day. This is an extra large, regularly $8, and I paid $5. Now this was in the clearance section, no clearance tag, and I thought, well, let me just scan it, and it scanned $5. So got this, and then finally, I also picked up this top here, another black one. Again, it's that same material, and a new day as well, a new day. And this one has the cuff sleeves. Does it have the tag? Oh, it doesn't even have the tag. I haven't even worn this. Oh, there it is. Yeah, a new day. And this was extra large. And this one was $5 as well. But it didn't have a clearance, no clearance. But I scan them, you know? I scan them, and it was $5. Yeah, so I got those two. And then we got a bag of salad. And we got, what was else? What else? I think that was it. Just a bag of, like I said, we just ran in there and ran out. So a bag of salad, and that was it. That was all that we picked up, guys. So that was everything. So now I'm going to be doing a home goods. That one's going to be a little bit longer, more items. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next haul. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.